You don't feel it. That's the scary part. There's no big purchase. No expensive shopping spree. No sudden financial mistake. Just $5 here. $10 there. $12.99 quietly disappearing. And somehow, at the end of the month, you're wondering, where did my money go? Now imagine this. Two people earn the exact same salary. One builds savings, invests, and slowly gets ahead. The other stays stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. The difference? It's not income. It's something much smaller. And much more invisible. It's the subscription trap. Let's be honest. Subscriptions don't feel expensive. A streaming service? Just a few dollars. Music app? Cheap. Cloud storage? Necessary. Gym membership? I'll start next week. Online tools, courses, premium apps. Individually, they all seem harmless. And that's exactly why they're dangerous. Because your brain doesn't register them as real spending. When you buy something for $300 upfront, it hurts. You think twice. But $9.99 per month? Your brain says, that's nothing. So you subscribe. Then you subscribe again. And again. And again. Until one day, you're paying for things you don't even remember signing up for. Let's break this down simply. Your money is like a bucket. Income fills it. Expenses drain it. Most people think big expenses are the problem. But in reality, it's the tiny holes at the bottom that empty the bucket. Subscriptions are those tiny holes. They don't look dangerous. But they never stop leaking. Here's what makes subscriptions powerful. They're automatic. You don't manually pay each month. There's no decision. No friction. And when there's no decision, there's no awareness. It's like a leak in your house that you never see. The damage happens slowly, silently. Psychologically, subscriptions are designed to feel painless. Paying $120 once feels expensive. But paying $10 for 12 months? Feels cheap. Even though it's the same amount. This is called payment fragmentation. Breaking a big cost into small pieces so your brain accepts it. And companies know this. That's why almost everything today is becoming a subscription. Because small payments don't scare you. They slip past your mental defenses. Here's where it gets worse. You don't just subscribe. You forget. Think about it. That app you used for 1 week. That free trial you forgot to cancel. That premium plan you might need someday. That gym membership you stopped going to. You're still paying for them. Every single month. Without realizing it. A simple example. Let's say you have one streaming service $10. Another streaming service $12. Music app $8. Gym $25. Random app subscriptions $15. Cloud storage $5. That's $75 per month. Doesn't sound crazy, right? Now multiply that. $75 times 12 equals $900 per year. That's nearly $1,000. For things you barely think about. Now imagine investing that money instead. Here's where things get really interesting. Because this isn't just about money. It's about how your brain works. And how modern systems are designed to take advantage of it. The real problem isn't subscriptions. It's your relationship with convenience. Subscriptions sell you a feeling. Ease. Comfort. Instant access. And your brain loves that. We are wired to choose what's easy now. Even if it costs us later. Subscriptions make life feel smoother. You don't have to think. You don't have to decide. Everything just works. But here's the truth. Convenience is rarely free. You're not paying just with money. You're paying with attention, awareness, and control. When you subscribe, you're not thinking long term. You're thinking, I'll just use this for now. But now turns into months. Then years. And future you keeps paying for decisions past you forgot about. It's like signing contracts with your future self. Without asking for permission. This isn't about being bad with money. Even smart, disciplined people fall into this. Why? Because subscriptions don't trigger fear. They don't feel risky. They don't feel serious. They feel normal. And that's what makes them dangerous. Here's the bigger picture. Wealth isn't built by big decisions. It's built by small, consistent behaviors. And subscriptions quietly disrupt that. They reduce your ability to save, lower your investing potential, create financial friction you don't notice. Over time, they slow down your progress. Not dramatically, but enough to keep you stuck. So what should you actually do? Not cancel everything. Not live extremely. Just become aware. Step 1: Audit your subscriptions. Take 10 minutes. List everything you're subscribed to. Everything. Even the small ones. You'll probably be surprised. Step 2: Ask one simple question. For each subscription, ask, if this wasn't automatic, would I pay for it today? If the answer is no, cancel it. Step 3: Create friction. Make spending less automatic. Turn off auto-renew for non-essential services. Force yourself to manually renew. This brings back awareness. Step 4: Use the value test. Ask, did this actually improve my life this month? Not maybe someday. Not just in case. But this month. If not, it's not worth it. Step 5: Redirect the money. Here's the powerful part. Take the money you save and give it a purpose. Save it. Invest it. Build something with it. Even $50 per month matters. Because it's not just money. It's momentum. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Getting rich isn't about making huge changes overnight. It's about stopping small leaks. Because money doesn't disappear all at once. It disappears quietly. Through habits you don't question. Subscriptions are not evil. But unconscious spending is. And the moment you become aware, you take back control. So next time you see a Start Free Trial button, pause. Because it's not just a subscription. It's a decision your future self will have to live with. If you enjoyed this, you'll start noticing something strange. It's not how much you earn that changes your life. It's what you stop losing. And most people never notice what's draining them. Until it's too late.